But hopefully, as we head into the winter months, December, January, February, we will begin to see a wetter pattern. The reason is the upper atmosphere gets affected by the El Nino. What this does normally in an El Nino winter is it kind of keeps a lot of the polar jet, or most of the polar jet stream. There are actually two big jet streams. The polar one, that brings down the cold air. That's going to stay farther north. Now, while we will see some dips here and there, certainly this winter, even folks up north are likely to see warmer than average. For us, though, the area that is not highlighted means basically equal chances of us staying warmer or cooler than average. But for our rain chances, we have a more active subtropical jet stream. That actually brings in more moisture across the southern United States, actually from the west coast across the United States. So the outlook for our winter months is for us to be wetter than average, and that is a good sign as we head into winter. Fall right now, still on the dry side. Right at the moment, we had a few isolated showers down in the Bayou parishes earlier, long gone now with clearing skies, 71 degrees, a little bit more humid outside and not quite as cool. We had a warmer day today at 82, but still very pleasant. Humidity was a little bit higher. Might see those dew points a bit higher still early tomorrow before the dry air moves in. Our temperatures are in the 60s and lower 70s, and the humidity will prevent us from getting much cooler than we are right now. As we head into the afternoon, those dew point values will drop. Now, not dramatically so, but you'll probably notice the difference, a little bit of that drier air in place, and that will continue on into the weekend. The upper trough that brought our front on through just wasn't associated with any cooler air. Matter of fact, you look at temperatures just up to the north, 50s, 60s, and we're in the 60s and low 70s. So it wasn't much of a cooler air mass, but it was a drier air mass. The dew points are much, much lower. And some of the models a little bit more aggressive with just how low the dew points will get here as we head into late Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now, I think this would be a pretty extreme drop in humidity if we saw dew points into the 40s, but certainly 50s and lower 60s, I think, as we head into Saturday and Sunday. So the weekend, while still on the warm side, will be less humid, and then that mugginess starts to return. We're able to squeeze out a few isolated showers, as I mentioned, from this surge of drier air, which not quite here yet. The leading edge is the front. Most of the organized rainfall was down offshore, and now we are dry for the rest of the night and into the day tomorrow. Plenty of sunshine, a little bit warmer still with highs into the more mid-80 range, and then that drier air starts moving in. Then we'll start to get into more cloudiness. I think this looks to be more mid and upper level cloudiness for both Saturday and Sunday.